It's Tie-Dye Tuesday. In this week's episode, we'll make a reverse spiral. Take a shirt that's been soaked in soda ash and spin it out in a washing machine. It should be slightly damp. Place front of shirt on flat surface. The front of shirt contacts the flat surface. Find the center of our spiral and spin it up. I use a fork and a piece of cardboard. Some folks use hemostats, some folks just use their fingers. Once we've got a spiral of about 3 inches in diameter, we'll use a can of beans to apply pressure to the center of the spiral and spin in the opposite direction. Spin just like a normal spiral, but still going in the opposite direction of the initial spiral until we've spun up the entire shirt. Bind with rubber bands. Time to dye. In this example, we'll use 4 colors, and we apply the dye just like a normal spiral in slices or wedges. We will repeat this pattern on the other side of the spiral. Once our shirt has sat for at least 24 hours and at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit, we can open it up. After opening and admiring our shirt, throw it in a washing machine for 2 cold washes, 1 hot wash, and hang dry. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you're looking for more of a challenge, check out these 2 videos. Visit my website, www.dirtyhippielaundry.com, for all your tie-dye needs, including custom orders. Thanks again, have a great day, see you next week.